Senior Scene is here to guide you through your next chapter. Collagen-boosting foods that help restore skin elasticity after midlife. As we get older, many people notice the same changes in their skin. It feels thinner, less firm, fine lines appear faster, and elasticity doesn't bounce back the way it used to. Most people immediately think about collagen, supplements, or expensive skincare products. But the truth is, collagen health starts from the inside. After midlife, the body doesn't just produce less collagen. It also becomes less efficient at maintaining the collagen you already have. Today, we'll talk about collagen-boosting foods that help support skin elasticity naturally, especially after your 40s and 50s. And more importantly, we'll explain why these foods matter and how they work inside the body. Let's start with an important truth. Eating collagen alone is not enough. Collagen is a protein, and when you eat it, your body breaks it down into amino acids. Those amino acids are then used wherever the body decides they are needed most. So skin elasticity depends not only on collagen intake, but also on nutrients that support collagen synthesis, protection, and repair. The first and most direct collagen-supporting food category is bone-based foods. Bone broth is one of the richest natural sources of collagen-derived amino acids. It contains glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are the building blocks of collagen. As we age, our ability to recycle these amino acids becomes less efficient. Providing them through food helps the body maintain skin structure and hydration. Bone broth also supports gut health, which plays a major role in nutrient absorption. Better absorption means better collagen utilization. The second important group is vitamin C-rich foods. Without vitamin C, collagen production slows dramatically. This vitamin activates enzymes that stabilize collagen fibers. Citrus fruits, kiwi, berries, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources. After midlife, vitamin C requirements often increase due to higher oxidative stress. Oxidative stress damages collagen faster than the body can replace it. Vitamin C helps slow this damage while supporting new collagen formation. The third key group is protein-rich whole foods. Skin is constantly renewing itself. Without adequate protein, collagen repair simply cannot keep up. Eggs, fish, poultry, tofu, legumes, and dairy provide essential amino acids needed for skin strength. Egg whites are particularly valuable because they contain proline. After midlife, many people unintentionally reduce protein intake. This silent deficiency accelerates skin thinning and loss of elasticity. The fourth collagen-supporting category is omega-3 rich foods. Omega-3 fatty acids don't create collagen directly, but they protect it. They reduce inflammation that breaks collagen down over time. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources. Plant sources include flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of skin elasticity. Reducing inflammation helps preserve existing collagen. The fifth group is mineral-rich foods, especially those containing zinc and copper. Zinc plays a role in collagen synthesis and skin repair. Copper helps form cross-links that give collagen strength and structure. Shellfish, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes are good sources. As digestion efficiency declines with age, mineral absorption often decreases. This is why consistent dietary intake becomes more important after midlife. The sixth group is antioxidant-rich foods. Free radicals damage collagen fibers and accelerate skin aging. Antioxidants neutralize these free radicals before they cause harm. Colorful vegetables, berries, green tea, and dark leafy greens are powerful allies. These foods don't just support skin appearance. They protect collagen at the cellular level. The seventh and often overlooked group is hydration-supporting foods. Collagen requires water to maintain elasticity. Dehydrated skin appears thinner and less resilient. Foods like cucumbers, zucchini, watermelon, and soups support hydration from within. Hydration becomes less efficient with age due to changes in thirst signaling. Eating water-rich foods helps compensate for this shift. Now let's address a common misconception. No single food will instantly restore youthful skin. Skin elasticity improves through consistent signals over time. Daily nutrition sends those signals. Supporting collagen after midlife is about reducing damage while supporting repair. That balance is what maintains firmness and flexibility. Your skin is not simply aging. It is responding to inflammation, nutrient availability, circulation, and stress. When these systems are supported, skin health improves naturally. Midlife is not the end of skin vitality. It is a phase where smarter nutrition becomes essential. Collagen-supporting foods work best when combined with adequate sleep, gentle movement, and stress management. Everything is connected. Healthy skin is not about perfection. It is about resilience. If this video helped you understand your vascular health better, I'd love for you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your next chapter can be healthier, stronger, and more vibrant. And I'm here to guide you every step of the way.